Yin Yang tapes, motherfucker.
From the year 1989 to the year 1990.
Do not perform, copy, or recreate any actions featured in this video. You may get arrested.
Introducing Wedo and Blondo Leopard.
Suicide boys are back in the gutter, bitch.
Hide your halos and sharpen your pitchfork. The year of suicide is upon us.
Let the slaughter begin!
Yo people, welcome back. Currently we're trekking through a field to go and have another look at an abandoned house, which is that one just down there, if you can see that. But yeah, we're gonna have a little look down there, see what's in there, you know. I've come over to the front of the house. I've got an entry point there. The roof is all collapsed in, but it's all broken as well, it's been burnt. We've got one of the rooms here, sheets over there. Another sheet there. Got this leading up to the roof, / the upstairs. Oh. Entry point there. All just left and rotten. Holy shit. The bath / washing room there. Can't go in there though. We have made it upstairs with that little shitty climb. Whoa, floorboards are really sketchy. It's a story down. Nice view though. All broken. Sealed up there. Sealed up there. Holy shit. Jesus. Another one of the rooms, the whole flooring is gone. It's graffiti. Nice view of the roof. We are now going up to the train tracks. We just have to trek across this massive outfield. Yeah, we'll trek all the way up this field and then 2 other fields, and then we'll be on the train tracks. We're getting closer. Trains are just there. Got to trek all the way down this. We're so close. Oh, bramble. Shit. Oh my god. It is so fucking slippery. Oh, shit. Fuck. We have made it to the trains. I think one of them's been removed. Don't know, I haven't been here in like 2 years. But the result in walking through that field. Jesus. We've got this train here, which is all just left broken. It's a big track. It leads all the way into Broadway, I think, up through Warwickshire and top end of Gloucestershire. It's mad. But yeah, people, thank you so much for watching. The trains were a bit of a bonus today. I wasn't going to do them. I was going to save it for a next upload, but sod's law, am I right? Trains are back there, walking through the station. Fingers crossed I don't get caught. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out for the next upload. Don't know what it's going to be. I think I'm going up either Malvern and Worcestershire for a couple of locations around there. Yeah, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks so much for watching, people. Peace.